All right, folks, here's one by request. This is Feelin' Blue by CCR. We're gonna have some cool, bluesy, groovy things going on in this. So we're gonna start with, okay, so that's a 3 on the second string, a little D. We're gonna be in D for this. D7, this is a shape you might not have seen before. 4, 5, and 3. We can also use the open D on that. So a lot of times we're gonna have like a 5 on the big string, 3 to 4, kind of quick, varying speeds on that hammer there. Sometimes like down to that 3. Sometimes a quicker one down to the open. Like I say, we can have open 5 and 3. That'd be the D7 chord with the D in the bass, or we can have this 4th fret F sharp in the bass also. See how they both sound good for D7? Okay, so our first riff, like I say, is 3. So let's try that a couple times. We got 3, 5, 3, 4, open. 2, 3, 4. And. Okay, then we start adding stuff to that. We're gonna do the 5 on the 3rd string with that 3. Might even hit it like twice. Boom, boom. You can start throwing that 3 in there a little bit, or go 3 to 4 to 3. So we got. Sometimes open. Okay, and it's just gonna be that same chord with different kind of riffs and a couple solos all the way through this tune. So there's no other chord changes. It's just a lot of varying D7s with little riffs. Little riffs woven in. Now I'm gonna also show you little ways to solo with that stuff. Okay, so we're gonna talk about different things. That's a little excerpt from the solo that they do in there a couple times, and they kind of variate it the second time. So once again, we got, that's kind of our first riff, and then we start adding a chord to it. Start doing kind of a couple chords. Now it's going to get into the chorus thing where it's like a, first it's going to have like a feelin' blue, 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 blue. Feelin' blue. Feelin' blue. At the end, when they start singing Feelin' Blue after a lot of blue, 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 blues, you're gonna get into this thing where it's like open, double hits, that little riff, 5, 3, 4. Okay, that's kind of like at the end of all the kind of verse change. That's kind of the chorus sort of at the end where it says Feelin' Blue a couple times. Little double hits. Have a little solo. So what I did is a little bit of a rake. Kind of have them muted on like the G and B strings. Rake those two on the way down to that little 10. Little 5. Then we have 6 on the second string. Quickly to the 7 on the G string. Slide that 5 down kind of. Get that little bluesy chord where you kind of have the 5 down here, but you kind of bend against it slightly with that 6. Go to that 7. One of those riffs again. So it's like. Now the next one's going to go. So it's going to go 10. Kind of a rake again. Quicker to the 5 to 6. 7, 5. Couple bends. That kind of same thing. First riff again. back into the Vamp. Okay, so once again we got. And a lot of this is just experimenting, kind of finding your own groove with it. Lots of different variations you could try. Now let's look at if you want to take a little solo on this. We could have like a minor, starting on that 3 on the second string, 3 and then 1, 3, 4. Get that bluesy note in there. We got a 2 is cool here. We got this 2 over here. We got a 3 open we could go to. We could also do open 3, open 1, 2. Get the blues scale. 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5. And then we get into major pentatonic is we get into that major third, into that 4 there. So all these notes kind of work together. 3 to 4, 2 down here, that 5 over here, big 5. All these things are kind of options. You can get further into the scale. I got the 2, 4, 5 in there. 5, 3, 4 open. I can go further. Got 3, 1, 3. You can do a little hammer here. That's the same as doing like that 3 to 4 there. Here's another major pentatonic trick. 2 to 4, 3. You can do a little 5, 6. You could go major pentatonic and go 5 to 7. So lots of stuff we can do. We could come all the way up here to the 10th fret. D7 in there. Okay, so I hope you guys had a good little jam with that. Feelin' Blue, CCR. A lot of cool things with the D7 chord that you can do. See how you can combine major and minor. You get some cool bluesy stuff. All right, see you next time. Thanks a lot.